Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundi X. Liquidity keeps on stacking. We're officially live on KuCoin. You can begin depositing, trading, and withdrawing all today. Now, just so you get an idea of where KuCoin Exchange stands, they're listed as number 68 on CoinMarketCap by adjusted volume out of 255 exchanges. Now, since last time that I posted a similar video, which was NPXS getting listed on Huobi Global, I got similar questions as to why the listing of exchanges were important. And I would like to comment on that by saying that while some listings on exchanges may actually not affect the value of NPXS at all, it is a great thing because it makes NPXS more liquid. This means that you're able to exchange slash convert your NPXS to other cryptos as well as cash a lot easier. And I personally believe that moving forward, liquidity is definitely going to play an important role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole. Now, every new exchange listings adds to this liquidity, and this is why the listings are important. Again, even if there is no raise in value for the token. Now, since this was a very quick video on this, I also wanted to bring you guys some extra content. And it's something that I personally found very interesting, and that is the trending data on the search keyword for Pundi X, which is right over here. And the main reason why I'm showing you this is because so far, as of April 2019, as we can see right here, this dots just means that since we're still in April, the whole data for April is not officially done yet. But as you can see, Pundi X is slightly rising in interest, and it is only 10 points away from a new high since July 2018. And right over here is July 22nd, 2018. You can see we're at 58 points. That's what I'm calling them. At 58 points, and right over here we're at 48, so we're actually only 10 points away from that new high since July 22nd. And that is pretty interesting, or pretty amazing in my opinion, because it just shows you, this chart just shows you the interest of people searching for Pundi X, and we're definitely going up, and I believe this will continue going up, especially with the market turning green lately. So I believe this is definitely going to be a very good few months coming forward for the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole. But again, guys, that pretty much is it for this video. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, any of that, leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.